your nose, on your nose.
No. Oh, it's too big.
Let me get in there.
Maybe we just can't let him nurse on your nose if those boogies coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this guy looking right at the camera.
Hi.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Was I in your way that you had to get right into the camera?
Don't upstage me.
Look at him.
Look at Emerson's face.
Aw, cute back.
Cute.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
I think that's a video.
Oh.
Emerson wants to close up too. Hey, I want to close up too.
Yeah, let's go to the 2-shot. Nice.
Oh, what? Oh.